Good morning, Seawolves. My name is Michael.
And I am Elijah.
This is the morning report where we keep you up to date with the NFL.
Before we get in this report, these are our favorite teams.
My favorite team is the New York Jets.
And my favorite team is the Philadelphia Eagles.
Leave your favorite team down in the comment section.
Now, the best and worst teams currently by the record.
The best teams right now with the best record is the Kansas City Chiefs with 15 wins and 1 loss, and the Vikings and the Detroit Lions with a record of 14 wins and 2 losses.
The worst teams currently are the New York Giants, Clemsonville Browns, Patriots, Titans with all records of 2 wins and 13 losses.
The games on Saturday are Browns versus Ravens and Bengals versus Steelers.
The games on Sunday are Panthers versus Falcons, Commanders versus Cowboys, Bears versus Packers, Jaguars versus Colts, Bills versus Patriots, Giants versus Eagles, Saints versus Buccaneers, Texans versus Titans, 49ers versus Cardinals, Chiefs versus Broncos, Seahawks versus Rams, Chargers versus Raiders, and Dolphins versus Jets.
On Sunday night, we have Lions versus Vikings.
There are no teams on bye week.
The best quarterback right now is Joe Burrow, quarterback for the Bengals.
He has the most passing yards in the NFL with 4,641 yards.
He is also first in touchdowns with 42 of them.
He only has 8 interceptions.
The best wide receiver right now is Jamar Chase for the Bengals.
He is first in yards with 1,612 yards.
He is also first in touchdowns with 18 of them.
The best running back right now is Saquon Barkley on the Eagles.
He is first in the league with yards with 2,005 yards.
He is in third place for touchdowns with 13.
The leaders in sacks right now are Trey Hendrickson on the Bengals and Myles Garrett on the Browns with 14 sacks.
Second is Daniel Hunter on the Texans with 12.
Third is TJ Watt on the Steelers with 11.5.
These are the best defensive players in terms of sacks.
The leaders for the most tackles is Zaire Franklin on the Colts with 185 tackles.
And second for the most tackles is Budda Baker on the Cardinals with 155 tackles.
In third, we have Jamien Sherwood on the Jets with 152.
Those are the best players in terms of sacks.
Be sure to look out for those key players.
Just to let you know, the highest paid player right now is Dak Prescott on the Cowboys. He gets paid $65 million a year.
Right now, the MVP frontrunner is Lamar Jackson, quarterback for the Ravens.
The Rookie of the Year frontrunner is Jaden Daniels, quarterback for the Commanders.
Don't forget to subscribe
and leave a like.
This ends the morning report.
My name is Elijah.
My name is Michael.
Have a good rest of your day.
Peace.
Until next time.
That was low-key good. That was low-key good.
I said...